Katika hiyo kitabu tu ya Yohana 8:32 mpaka 33, Jesus says that you shall know the truth and the truth shall set you free. Kwa hivyo sasa leo tunasema ukweli. Ukweli mtupu. Nothing but the truth. Sasa marehemu Askofu Desmond Tutu wa Afrika Kusini, may the Lord rest his soul in peace, alisema that without truth there can be no justice. Without justice there can be no reconciliation. Without reconciliation there can be no peace. Without peace there can be no development. Haya ukweli mtupu, ya kwamba bila ukweli hatuwezi kukuwa na, bila ukweli hatuwezi kukuwa na haki, na bila haki hatuwezi kukuwa na utengamano, bila utengamano hatuwezi kuwa na amani, na bila amani hakuna maendeleo. Leo tuko hapa kusherehekea ushindi wa Wiper na ushindi wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition. There's no doubt in our mind that Azimio won the elections convincingly. The facts are there. We got the highest number of members of parliament in the country. We got highest number of members of county assemblies in the country. We also won a number of governors and senators. We won in most of the regions, in Nyanza, in Western, in the coast, in Lower Eastern, in Upper Eastern, in Northeastern, in a number of counties within the Rift Valley, in Nairobi, and according to the whistleblower, several countries in the Central Province. With those kind of statistics, how could we lose elections? So we know that we won elections. And that's the reason why we talk with a lot of confidence that we won the elections. And people know what transpired. People saw what happened at Bomas of Kenya on the 15th of August. It has never happened anywhere in the world where the Electoral Commission, where the referees in an election disagree publicly. Out of 7 members of the Electoral Commission, 4 said no to the results which were being announced by the chairman of the Electoral Commission. Only 2 said yes jointly with their chairman. Under normal circumstances, those results should not have been accepted. They should not even have, nobody should even have announced them. There was a dispute within the Electoral Commission. And that's why we talk with confidence. 3 and 4. My little knowledge of arithmetic tells me that 4 is bigger than 3. For the first time, we have seen a new math where 3 is bigger than 4. We will not tire telling the truth. We want to make rigging a very, very expensive enterprise. That nobody will ever again think of rigging an election in this country. Without resolving this matter convincingly, there will be no peace in this country. Kenyans will not go back to elections in 2027 and the election will be rigged again. It will never happen again. And we are going to tell them why it will not happen. It will not happen because Kenyans will not accept it. Now we have said that we want to see the truth. We have said that everybody was at fault. When we went to the court, we thought we would get justice in the Supreme Court. We did not get justice. All we got was insults. Insults, matusi matupu. Kwa hivyo sisi tumesema hata Supreme Court itachunguzwa. Itachunguzwa. Hii uamuzi ili Soma, and I will quote the ruling, that she is convinced beyond reasonable doubt that the IBC deployed